The exploration of space, a waste of resources? For centuries, humans' fascination with space has driven us to explore the unknown. But is the relentless pursuit worth the resources? Considering time and money as resources, there have been many debates regarding exploring space. There have been many inventions that were originally created for space use, from memory foam to scratch-resistant lenses. Space-based innovations have revolutionized our lives. Space research provides a sense of protection, more accurate data regarding our global climate, and has allowed scientists to detect catastrophic events in advance, such as planet-destroying asteroids. Conversely, many people believe scientific efforts are better spent working on Earth. Additionally, as we are in a climate crisis, now more than ever, climate activists are arguing that scientists should not be spending money on space exploration and should fix the planet first. This paper explores the role of NASA, the inventions that come with space exploration, and the climate effects of space exploration to illustrate the benefits of space science. Although some people think scientific efforts are better spent on Earth, the study of space science provides an avenue for innovation, ultimately positively affecting the human race. NASA's space exploration programs have influenced multiple inventions for humanity. Scratch-resistant lenses, memory foam, and cordless drills were all inventions created for astronauts that have been adapted to Earth, NASA 2016. Memory foam is commonly used in mattresses and pillows for increasing comfort. However, memory foam is also used in wheelchairs, allowing better quality of life and comfortability with people with health conditions. Scratch-resistant lenses also improve quality of life, specifically for individuals with visual impairment, as it allows for better, clearer vision. Authors Milov et al. 2017 discuss how NASA's Dr. Ted Wideman from the Ames Research Center created scratch-resistant lenses by accident while working on a spacecraft water purification system, paragraph 2. Other inventions, such as freeze-dried food, artificial limb technology, and water filtration systems, have made a significant difference in many people's lives. The inventions for space use have enabled scientists, doctors, and engineers to make advances in medicine, communication, and transportation. All points considered, space exploration provides numerous inventions that are regularly used by non-astronauts. Exploring space has been a catalyst for further development in advanced communications technology. Some technology, like GPS and satellites, were developed to enhance space programs. Satellites rely heavily on solar panels for renewable energy while orbiting the Earth. An astronomy research facility known as Bell Labs created the first solar cell in 1954, after which solar cell technology became more and more prominent for usage on satellites. Maywald et al. 2021, paragraph 8. The solar cell's use on satellites allow them to remain in orbit, thus allowing longer space missions and permanent satellites. The World Economic Forum 2020 describes how satellites circling the globe provide the most accurate weather reports and warn of incoming storms. The satellites monitor our climate daily, including sea levels, wildfires, and atmospheric changes. Page 2. These inventions have improved our ability to stay connected and access information in ways that were not previously thought possible. In the future, space exploration will continue to provide new inventions and technologies that can improve our lives. Although space science is beneficial to humanity, there are many criticisms it receives. Space science is often portrayed as a waste of resources and detrimental to our planet. Cockell et al. Addressed these downsides to space exploration by stating, in its most polarized manifestation, space exploration is regarded as a waste of money, distracting from solving problems here at home. 2002. Unfortunately, this common view of space exploration as a waste of money often overlooks the potential benefits and the advances in technology and human understanding that follows. Christopher Maloney, a research scientist at the NOAA Chemical Sciences Laboratory, calculated that every year rocket launches collectively expel around 1 gigagram or 1,000 metric tons of black carbon into the stratosphere. Piecing, 2022. This is a compelling argument towards the negatives of space exploration, because the carbon emissions entering our stratosphere could increase the rate at which global warming occurs. However, the benefits of space science towards the environment overcome the negative aspects. There are a plethora of space research benefits that help the Earth and the climate. One of the ways Earth was saved was in 1987 when a NASA satellite discovered a growing hole in Earth's ozone layer above the South Pole. This gathered public concern and resulted in the Montreal Protocol, the very first international agreement addressing a global environmental problem. Greg, 2019. If NASA did not have the satellite in orbit, the hole in the ozone layer would not have been discovered immediately, meaning the hole would continue growing, causing increased levels of UVB radiation to reach Earth's surface. Meg Secchi, 2022, with the United Nations Environment Program, stated increased exposure to ultraviolet radiation can cause skin cancer and eye cataracts, damaged crops, plants, and microorganisms, and it ultimately affects ecosystems and food chains. Paragraph 12. If the hole in the ozone layer was not found, human and animal lives would have been lost due to cancer and starvation. This hole in the ozone layer is only one of the examples of how space research saved the environment and the planet. Space exploration benefits humanity by providing and protecting our planet from cataclysmic events into our environment. Space exploration provides humanity with a sense of protection from large asteroids that could destroy humanity. NASA has the ability to detect and possibly destroy potentially hazardous asteroids. Savitsky, 2022, writes about NASA's asteroid redirection test in 2021, humanity's first ever planetary defense test, which could one day help scientists detect and deflect an asteroid on a collision course with our planet, was quite literally a smashing success. Paragraph 2. Space research and exploration made this test a possibility. The purpose of the mission was to test if NASA has the ability to redirect asteroids that are on a trajectory towards Earth. This mission was an astounding success, and in the future, if an asteroid is set to collide with Earth, NASA could detect and redirect that asteroid. The dangers of an asteroid impact with Earth are extravagant. Gerrit L. Verschuer, an astrophysicist at the Rhodes College, spoke about how a collision course with an asteroid at only 1 kilometer wide would trigger the end of civilization by unleashing global disasters. He goes further to say that if an impactor the size of the dino-killing asteroid arrived today, it would probably render humans and countless other species extinct. Spectre, 2022, paragraph 8. The threats of asteroids impacting Earth is taken very seriously by NASA and space agencies all across the world. With the thousands of asteroids NASA monitors and the constant lookout for new potentially hazardous asteroids, space research has proven its benefit towards humanity through the protection it provides. The benefits from NASA are clearly demonstrated. However, is the cost of space exploration and funding towards NASA too exorbitant? Hagar, 2018, discusses how NASA makes a $4.7 billion annual impact on the Texas economy and directly and indirectly supports more than 52,000 jobs. Hagar goes on to mention that NASA's influence plays a critical role in the education, research, tourism, and business activities in Texas. Paragraph 27. The employment opportunities NASA provides and the impact on the Texas economy is substantial. This symbiotic relationship between NASA's vital contributions to the state of Texas activities supersedes the mere monetary requisitions imposed by the organization itself. NASA's budget for the upcoming 2024 fiscal year is $27.2 billion, Nelson 2023. While this may seem significantly high, it is only a mere 0.5% of the federal yearly budget in the United States. The money spent by NASA is justified through the jobs and the scientific data it produces, and the economy it helps sustain. The study of space exploration is justified, as it positively affects the human race. Space research provides humanity with innovations and inventions that greatly improve living conditions, from memory foam, scratch-resistant lenses, and water purification systems, and GPS. Space research is a strong competitor in the realm of progressing solar technology, as well as radio communication systems. Along with providing innovation in progressing technology, space institutions like NASA provide protection and safety to humanity. NASA has initiatives and protocols to detect asteroids on a trajectory towards Earth and can divert these asteroids away. NASA also monitors our global climate and our ozone levels. Space exploration is absolutely fundamental and necessary for the survival of the human race. That is all. Thank you very much.